and welcome. We all are familiar with natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Natural numbers. All counting numbers are natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The set of natural numbers is denoted by n. The next classification of numbers is whole numbers. Whole numbers consist of natural numbers along with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The set of whole numbers is denoted by W. The next classification of numbers is integers. Integers consist of negative of natural numbers together with whole numbers. -1, -2, -3 and so on. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The set of integers is denoted by I or Z. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about the next classification of numbers, that is rational numbers. All the numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Numbers of this form P by Q are called rational numbers.
Let us now look at the definition of rational numbers. If P and Q both are integers and Q not equal to 0, then the number of the form P by Q is called a rational number. Let's look at few examples. 3 by 4. Here 3 and 4 are integers and 4 is not equal to 0. Let's look at one more example. -4 by 7. Here -4 and 7 are integers and 7 is not equal to 0. We can write natural numbers, whole numbers and integers in the form of P by Q by taking the denominators as 1. In this way, for whole numbers also we can take the denominators as 1, and for integers also we can take the denominators as 1. In this way we can write natural numbers, whole numbers and integers in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Hence, every natural number is a rational number, every whole number is a rational number, and every integer is also a rational number. Points to remember. First point, positive rational number. A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator have same signs. For example, 5 by 8 minus 5 by minus 8 minus 12 by minus 17, 15 by 19. In all these examples, you can see that the numerator and denominator have same signs. Hence, all these are positive rational numbers. Second point, negative rational number. A rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator have opposite signs. For example, minus 5 by 8, 5 by minus 8, 12 by minus 17, minus 15 by 19. In all these examples, you can see that the numerator and denominator have opposite signs. Hence, all these are negative rational numbers. Point 3. A rational number p by q is said to be in standard form if the first condition is p and q should have no common divisor or factor other than 1. And the second condition is q should be positive. For example, minus 21 by 36. Minus 21 by 36 is not in standard form as 21 and 36 have 3 as a common factor. Cancelling out the common factors, we get minus 21 by 36 equal to minus 7 by 12. Now, common factor between 7 and 12 is 1 and the denominator is positive. So, we can say that rational number minus 7 by 12 is in standard form. Point 4. If m is a non-zero integer and p by q is a rational number, then p by q is equal to p times m by q times m, and p by q is equal to p divided by m by q divided by m. Here, p times m by q times m and p divided by m by q divided by m are rational numbers, each equivalent to p by q. That is, a rational number remains the same if we multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Similarly, a rational number remains the same when we divide the numerator and denominator with the same number.
Point 5.
If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers such that a by b is equal to c by d, this implies that a times d is equal to b times c. That is, if two rational numbers are equal, their cross products are also equal. For example, 2 by 7 is equal to 6 by 21. This implies that 2 times 21 is equal to 6 times 7. 2 times 21 is 42 and 6 times 7 is 42. We can see that if two rational numbers are equal, their cross products are also equal. Point 6. 0 is a rational number, but it is neither positive nor negative. We can write 0 as 0 by 1. We can also write 0 as 0 by 5. And we can also write 0 as 0 by minus 8. You can see that in each of these cases, denominator is not equal to 0. So, 0 can be expressed as a fraction with a non-zero denominator. Therefore, 0 is a rational number and 0 is neither positive nor negative.
Thanks for watching. Happy learning.